Welcome. In this video I will show you how to record screen of your ACER Chromebook 315. In order to record screen of your device, you have to either open the control center and select screen capture, or alternatively you can also use the combination of Control, Shift and Show Windows key. The Show Windows key is located in the top row of your keyboard and it looks like a rectangle with two lines next to it. So either press this combination of keys or open the screen capture using your control center, and after that on this bar select a record option, and then you have three recording options to select from: either full screen recording or partial recording or window recording. If you want to record your device partially, you have to use this crosshair to select an area of your screen that you want to record, and if you want to record a window, you have to select a window on your display that you want to start recording off. I'm gonna use the full screen recording. In order to start it, we have to click anywhere and wait for 3 seconds before recording is started. Now we have the stop icon right here, and right now we can record everything that happens on the screen. So here we have our recording, which is not ready yet. In the downloads folder in the file explorer. And let's stop this recording. Now we can open it and we can play it from the start to the end. We can choose the playback speed, toggle full screen, or use playback options. And so yeah, that's basically it. That's how you record a screen on your device. And once again, your file is ready in the downloads folder. Here it is. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.